everyone, welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're testing out the Nevaland heated jacket. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. That way you come prepared. Oh, this is cool. It comes in its own little case, or a little bag I should say. Fully zippered. Wow. So they actually give you some decals, which is kind of cool. We'll set that there for now. Yeah, I like it that it comes in its own little carrying bag. We'll see if it's true to size. This is size large, so it should be true to size. Got your little manual. Alright, first off, you get your charging cable. Everything in the box. You got your power bank. This power bank is going to be very important because it's going to power the unit. So we're going to take that out. So just a standard power bank. Press here and you can see the battery level. So we definitely need to charge this up. You can also charge your cell phone with this. There is a USB port on here. Of course, the Type-C port. Jacket. You have Velcro on the side here, and you can put your decals and emblems and all kinds of stuff on the side there, even your own. It actually looks like if you don't want the hood is removable. So you can remove the hood, which is pretty cool. You make the hood tight on the back, also for hanging. So yeah, you can fully remove the hood if that's, you don't want a hood. I think we're gonna probably remove it. Full front zipper. And it appears, yes, the zipper is on the correct side. Sometimes they don't. Put it on the correct side. Inside, insulated. So far the quality is definitely there. Now let's see. Now we are wearing a sweatshirt, so it could be a little tight. Okay, we got zippered pocket on the left side. Okay. We have a zippered pocket on the right side. Inside here, you have a zipper right on the side. Pull that out. That opens up to another pocket. I'm trying to see where the actual... So here's your buttons, your on and off button. It's actually on the side here for the heated jacket. I'm trying to see where they put the power bank. They hide that really well. Okay guys, so for the pocket, it's very confusing. You're going to feel around, you're going to be like, well, where do I connect it? So you have your on and off buttons right on here. Inside that pocket that's right by it is going to be Velcro. You're going to take that Velcro out. There's going to be this little pamphlet in there. You're going to open that up and you're going to reach in, and that's where you're going to find your cable to connect. It's very confusing, so I'm going to show you guys again. If you're holding the jacket like this, you're going to see the power buttons right here, okay? Power buttons are going to be right here. There's going to be a zipper above that. Open that zipper up, and then there's going to be Velcro in the corner.